But what was that thing that changed? You're like, yeah, I want to do, I want to do stand-up comedy. I want to be
Uh,
an artist, full-flown. This is my thing that I want to do.
यार the thing is बचपन से I was taking part in all my school plays. I was in dramas और हमारे पास black and white कैमरा होता था घर पे, तो हम तीनों बहन भाई वीडियोस बनाते थे. We used to make funny videos and ads and पूरी पूरी फिल्में बनती थी. उसमें भी हम उसी वक्त भी यही करते थे कि अपना लैंप लगा के उससे रोशनी दे रहे होते थे. सो वो एक्टिंग का कीड़ा ना हमेशा से था. एक
Hmm.
ARY का मूवी टाइप का शो था, उसमें मैंने पार्ट लिया था. वो पायलट बना, कभी रिलीज नहीं हुआ. मैंने बचपन से ड्रामों में काम किया है. PTV के एक ड्रामे में किया था, तो वो था हमेशा. बट उसके साथ साथ आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई वाज सो पैशनेट अबाउट बिकमिंग अ डेंटिस्ट. It was just because मेरे अंकल की बेटी मुझे बहुत पसंद थी, and I used to get really inspired by her because she was a lovely lady, the way she spoke. तो मुझे था कि बचपन में
Hmm.
like her, and she was a dentist. I think this podcast are always so therapeutic. Let me tell you why. Because later I
Yeah, yeah.
realized,
Go for it.
because later I realized कि as a kid I never had my own personality. जो बच्चा मेरे घर आता
Hmm.
था, मैं उसको उसकी मिमिक्री या उसकी तरह बात करने लगती थी. So I always used to be somebody else. That's why I love theater. That's why I love improv. But stand up में आके ना मेरी फटी है, because I was like I have to be Natalia and be on stage. So this was life changing basically.
Because I feel with stand-up comedy it has to become part of your personality. Whether you like
Yeah,
it or
I mean,
not, it's just, you have to be that.
it is. I have to tell my real life stories. I'm very you have to be very vulnerable on stage कि यार अपने, और वो भी especially अपने failures आप बता रहे हो comedic तरीके से, अपने flaws बता रहे हो. Like I make fun of my acne. So you're very vulnerable on stage doing stand up. I tried इससे पहले, मैंने कहा इसमें भी शायद मैं loophole ढूंढ लूं, तो मैंने character stand up try किया. But वो
Hmm.
feel नहीं थी. Like character में आप sketches कर सकते हो, but stand up में people
That
want to
is
see a
when you were doing. This is that you were doing with Auratnak.
नहीं, इम्प्रोव कर रही थी मैं खवाटून्स के साथ.
Khawatoon के साथ. Oh, so Karachi is Khawatoon.
नो, सो
So
खवाटून्स इज
Karachi
इम्प्रोव
also has
ट्रू,
Aurat. Okay.
एंड औरत नाक इज अ स्टैंड अप ग्रुप.
So Auratnak also does improv, nahi? At times.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, खवाटून्स डज इम्प्रोव.
Khawatoons does improv, but Khawatoon is not in Lahore though. Khawatoon is just in Karachi, I think.
जस्ट इन कराची. औरत
Yeah.
नाक की बहुत वो ब्रॉड है, जिसमें लाहौर में भी है. बेसिकली
Yeah.
इट्स अ मूवमेंट. तो उसमें जो भी लड़की नीड्स अ प्लेटफॉर्म, दे यूज इट. दे
Yeah.
यूज इट बिकॉज ऑल लेडीज प्लेटफॉर्म थोड़ा इजी होता है फॉर फीमेल कमेडियन.
No, no, definitely. Because मैंने लाहौर में औरत नाक का किया हुआ है अटेंड, तो उसमें I think they did a bit of improv. But again, it's how
प्रॉब्लम
you
राइट है.
define improv as well, right? Yeah. But yeah, go.
नहीं, सो इम्प्रोव इज जिसमें गेम्स होती हैं. डिड दे डू
Oh,
दैट?
okay. Now I'm remembering. No, they didn't do games. They didn't do games. We've
So
done improv. We've done the game thing with Anaya and Hazik.
okay, okay.
And
Yeah,
Rafis.
there's a difference. Sorry, continue.
No, no, we've done the improv games wali cheez, like whose line is it anyway, that
Yeah, yeah,
whole.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
people always get confused between this stand-up is scripted, improv is not scripted. So ये फर्क है basically.
हाँ हाँ, so improv में वो ये भी होता है कि improv में कभी कभार you different characters भी आपको मिल सकते हैं. You pick up a chit and then you have to play that. मतलब वो तो I
Yeah.
feel that coming from theater must have been much simpler. Like theater में तो इतनी ज़्यादा improv की exercises होती हैं. You have reaction,
Yeah.
action, reaction. I don't know, हमने किया था
I,
action, reaction अजंता में.
ये वाला तो नहीं किया था, but this is how actually Faiza picked me up for Khawatoons, because I was on stage, I was in Greece, Sandy end में आती थी, वो नहीं आई. वो बेचारी पेंट में फंस गई थी अपने. She had to wear like leather pants in the end बेचारी. तो वो नहीं आई स्टेज पे, और उस वक्त सिर्फ ना वो गाय गैंग बैठा हुआ था और मैं थी. आई वॉज विद माई पॉम पॉम्स बिकॉज आई वॉज पैटी. सो दिस वन ऑफ द गाइज दे वर लाइक, हे पैटी, वेयर योर पॉम पॉम्स. तो उस वक्त मैंने इम्प्रोवाइज किया, एंड आई वाज लाइक, व्हाई डोंट यू गो आस्क योर मॉम. तो आई गॉट अ ह्यूज रोरिंग अपलॉड फ्रॉम द ऑडियंस कि मैंने ले ली उसकी. सो दैट्स व्हेन फाइजा वाज लाइक, ये बच्ची चाहिए मुझे ये.
हाँ. या आई थिंक जब आप, अच्छा मेरा है कि लाइक जब आप स्टेज पे एक दफा कैरेक्टर पकड़ लो ना, फिर आप में से अपनी लाइंस निकलती हैं. It's just one of those when you're in the role, you will, especially when you
Yeah,
have it that good and you know it.
yeah.
So फिर आप, it has to, and I think that's good.
That is always good. I remember you had the most comedic character in Ajanta. and you had so much margin, and you did
Oh yeah.
so well. Like
No,
I still
thank you.
remember the first time you wore sari, completely personality changed.
Though that was an experience. That was an experience. But do you know, when it comes down to it, like we had very tough rehearsals. I think we both can attest to that fact. काफी tough rehearsals थी हमारी. Boot camp था पूरा. But now that I
Yeah,
look back at it, I feel that's such an interesting and unique experience that I've gotten. Like doing Sheila as a role, I did it to challenge myself. I feel I was such an
yeah,
like I had to lose my voice, I had to lose my eyebrows. Like, but
yeah.
I loved it. If I have to do it again, yeah. like एक दो चीजें शायद मैं change करूं, but कर लूंगा.
नहीं भैया, वो इस थिएटर का is I think it's just experience is everything. Monetary wise इसमें कुछ नहीं है. It's just
नहीं.
a growth experience and like that stage and energy.
Yeah,
मुझे तो
yeah.
उसकी addiction.
I think and if you remember, I remember हमारा जब rehearsal वगैरह हो रही थी, by the end of it we were so trained, we needed people to see. I remember having this discussion, we going to our director, be like, लोग, we want people to see us. We've just
Yeah,
done it so many times, हम चाहते हैं लोग आए. Like I remember we were so happy जब हमारी पहली performance हुई थी दुबई में. लोग, there was a house full, people watching, like we were like energy आ गई थी दोबारा. We weren't tired.
yeah, yeah. You're right. Because बहुत अरसे से हम rehearsal कर रहे थे, and you're right.
हाँ.
By the end we were like, no, we need to go on stage.
Cause हम like 3 महीने बस कर रहे थे और हमें कोई ऑडियंस वो बस क्योंकि that was done intentionally. They just wanted कि बहुत एक गेस्ट आता था, वो अपना क्रिटिक देता था और बस it was very proper. But I think by the end we just like पागल हो गए थे.
You know, I actually live for performances and I kind of hate rehearsals because वो बहुत monotonous होती थी. एक ही खाना खाओ, एक ही लोगों से मिलो, just robotic routine. Because मुझे एक आदत नहीं है एक working environment की भी, because I'm like a freelance. But I've been very lucky recently with all of Dawar's plays. कि वो मुझे end वक्त पे phone करता है कि मेरी actress का टांग टूट गई है, मेरी actress भाग गई है. So many times I've just entered at the last minute. एक दफा तो मैंने दोपहर में रिहर्सल किया और शाम में मैंने शो किया है. And I used to get money for just 2 performances. I was like, this is what I need.
This is good.
I do.
This is good. But एक कीड़ा तो होता है. I feel